Hi everyone, this is Sunshine Annie here. I'm looking at my DIY composition book planner. This past week, the first part of November, I had done this part for the end of October, including Halloween, Samhain, whichever you prefer. I did my goals over here and then wrote a little bit about some things that I want for my next month in the end of October, some thoughts and goals. So this is what this ended up looking like with my 2-part spread for the middle. I tried to keep it cohesive so that the colors blended in okay. And I did stick for the end of October with pumpkins and that kind of spooky theme. For November, tried to do a little cornucopia there, but it wasn't really good with my white pen. I used a jelly roll pen. Didn't work well, but then this was for November. I tried to do some little trees, some leaves, just some different doodles this time. And I doodled, instead of using washi tape, I did some doodles across here. And then coming up for November, this week in November, the 5th through the 11th, I decided to move the spread over here. So yeah, it's gonna have the pink line, I don't care. And I'm going to doodle. I'm going to do black outline again so that I can color during the week, because that seems to work best for me. So I'm probably going to speed this up, but right now I'm going to just do the outlining. I'm not going to color. I'm just going to outline it and then put in things that I have to remember for this week. And I will do these kind of doodles rather than washi tape this time. I'm going to flip this so that I can draw the tracing part, because I can't see my penciled in lines here. And what I do is I just do a black outline, and then when I color it in, it gives it a much better look. So I'm going to keep these, I'm going to keep it plain and simple. For right now, I am going to color in some later. I will color in the letters. My letters did not work for me this week. I just struggled. So this week, so Sunday, we've been out helping my brother-in-law because he's putting a tiny house on my mother-in-law's property, because he comes up and helps her and gets her back and forth from his home in Texas. She likes to spend the winter where it's warm. So we were over there helping. And we're going to do a group dinner at my mother-in-law's. And we're just doing takeout, pizza, that stuff. Tomorrow I have an appointment, so I'm only working half a day. My appointment's at 2. And it's in Lewiston. We have a workshop on Tuesday, so we won't have kids at school. Wednesdays are normal early release. And Friday we have no school for the holiday. And I have a hair appointment. my goals this week. As usual, I'm going to leave a little spot here so I can do a doodle later. I'm not sure. And I'm just going to put them in here. I'm going to make healthy choices, which I've been struggling with. Drink lots of water. And try to be more active. And keep a healthy and positive mindset and practice gratitude. Because this month, that's one of the things I'm doing. I want to write on my planner my gratitude for the day, something that I can take away. And today I am thankful for all of my family. I'm going to do separate thank yous or gratitude for certain members of my family, but today it just was nice to be outside and working together and knowing the things we can accomplish as a group. Yeah, I mean, it was a little bit tense there for a minute, but yeah. So at this point, this is what it looked like. My gratitude, I didn't start it until this Saturday because I had always done, I did write a little bit about, I've done gratitude before on my Facebook page and on my Instagram. And so right now I'm going to do it in here and it'll show up on YouTube. So my gratitude's for my home on Saturday, that it keeps me warm and protected from the elements. And today, you know, I'm just thankful for all of my family. When the times are tough, you know, that we are able to work together and get through things, tough things. It does help to have family and friends who are like family. It doesn't have to be blood to be your family. So this is what I've got for you this week. I really hope that you have just a blessed week, that your life is filled with love and family and friends and just all the joys that you can get. Yeah, take care of yourselves and know that I love you and I appreciate you watching my videos and giving such kind feedback. Thanks so much. Have a great week.